first, I will provide you with something powerful. So here is a video I uploaded not too long ago. It's basically a full web design course, okay? And as you can see, it already has 45,000 views. And feel free to read the comments. Everybody's going crazy about it. And as you can see here, we have all the timestamps. Obviously, this is very comprehensive and very well organized. So there is nothing like this on the internet. It's almost 18 hours long, and it took me 7 months to plan and record. This video is available to everyone, and it's on my channel, so I will leave a link in the description. Before we continue with the roadmap, I wanted to invite you to apply to join the Web Designers Collective. And it's basically a community of web designers where we share a lot of valuable content. And we are currently 1,100 members, and we are growing every day. We are a very exclusive community because we want to maintain a high standard. So we don't let everybody in. As you can see here, we have a bunch of people trying to join, but applying takes less than 1 minute. And as you can see here in the classroom, we have many resources, all right? And then we also have a calendar because every Sunday we have a group coaching call, which is totally free, okay? And as you can see here as well, time to time, you will see work opportunities right here. So apply to join. As I say, it takes 1 minute and it can change your life. To apply, go to webdesignerscollective.com. All right. I will also leave a link in the description and then click on join group. All right. So back to the roadmap. The first thing you have to do is go through phase 1, building the right mindset. And in module 1, in the web design course, I teach you exactly that. You will start cultivating the right mindset to become successful. Module 1 is very powerful. Okay. Look at the comments. During week 1, you go through module 1, and then you will learn how to overcome fear, resistance, and imposter syndrome. You will learn how to develop a growth mindset and goal-setting habits. You will learn discipline and consistency to stay motivated. And you will also avoid common freelancer pitfalls like shiny object syndrome and arrogance. So the goal for this phase is to build the mental resilience needed for success. All right, so the first thing you have to do is go to this video, okay? You will find the link in the description. And then in the description of this video, you will find these timestamps, okay? So you click here where it says Web Design Course Intro. And then you go through Module 1, okay? You watch the intro, and then you go through Module 1. This is for the first week. After you complete phase 1, you move to phase 2. And here you will learn the web design fundamentals, okay? Here we have Module 2 and then Module 3. Module 2 is the introduction to Figma and design development fundamentals, where you will learn the Figma basics, the tools, main features, and auto layout. And then you will also master UX UI fundamentals like color, typography, and layout. And you will also get familiar with no-code tools like Webflow and Framer. And in Module 3, you will plan and design your first website. So you will learn wireframing and prototyping. You will design your first full website in Figma. And also you will understand responsive design and grid systems. And the goal for this phase is basically to design a complete website using Figma and UX UI principles. After completing phase 2, you move to phase 3. And here you will see Module 4 and then Module 5. Module 4 is exploring career paths in web design. And here you will learn how to choose your career direction, okay? So freelancing, agency work, or a full-time job. And then you will also learn how to price your web design services. And then in Module 5, how to get web design clients. You will learn how to select a niche that attracts clients. You will learn the power of concept projects. And then you will also learn how to find and reach out to potential clients. And the goal for this phase is to pick a career path, choose a niche, and start building your outreach strategy. After completing phase 3, you advance to phase 4. And here you will go through Module 6, getting paid as a freelance web designer, and then Module 7, how to leverage AI to become a super designer. During Module 6, you will learn how to set rates and manage invoices, and then also how to understand basic accounting and taxes. During Module 7, you will learn how to use AI tools to speed up your design workflow, and you will learn prompt engineering and how to use AI as a web designer. And the goal for this phase is to understand basic finances and start leveraging AI to increase efficiency. After completing phase 4, you will advance to phase 5, and here you will go through module 8 and module 9. Module 8 is setting up your digital workstation, and then you will learn how to organize files and inspiration in Google Drive, and also how to use tools like Trello and Slack. You will also set up a time tracking and productivity system. During Module 9, registering as a business, you will learn when and how to register as a freelancer, so as a business basically, and then you will understand legal and financial requirements. And the goal for this phase is to set up a professional workflow and register as a freelance business. After completing phase 5, you advance to phase 6, and here you will go through Module 10, building and publishing your portfolio. And here you will plan and design your portfolio website, and then you will build it and publish it on Framer. And the goal for this phase is to launch a professional portfolio. And then you will move to phase 7, and then here you will go through module 11, advanced Figma techniques and tools. And here you will learn how to use Figma variables, what design systems are. You will build a design system from scratch in Figma, and then you will also have a brief introduction to documentation. And then you watch module 12, advice on how to have successful meetings. You will learn how to prepare for client meetings, and also you will master negotiation and post-meeting strategies. So the final goal after completing all these phases is to constantly get paid web design projects and scale your career. After completing the 12 main modules, you can also complete the 3 bonus modules, okay? And you will find these bonus modules in the classroom inside of the free community. I will leave a link in the description so you can download this entire roadmap, okay? Now is the perfect time to take action. You have free access to all this knowledge, and many people is going through the course right now. So the ones that don't will be left behind. 6 months to a year from now, you will either be living with freedom, making money on your own terms, or you will be wishing you had started. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.